Students, today we are learning the concept of more and less. Okay? Yes, say yes. Let's learn the objects based on their quantity, numbers. When we have two groups, we find different quantities. One is more and other is less. It's called more and less. Yes, Haram, count how many biscuits in this plate. 1, 2, good. And how many biscuits in this plate? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. These are 5 and these are 2. These are more and these are less. Very good. Good job. Saban Fatma, look at your plates and count how many biscuits in this plate. 2. And how many in this plate?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7. These are more and these are less. More biscuits, less. Count down how many candies in your this plate. 3. And how many in this plate? 5. These are 5. These are more and these are less. Haram, look at your plates and count how many candies in these. How many in this plate? 1. And how many candies? Okay. These are more and this is less. Very good. Yes, Arisha, you have 2 glasses in front of you. Tell me which one has less and which one has more. This one has less and this one has more. Very good. Good job. Nadia, look, there are some pencils in front of you in 2 groups. Count how many pencils in this plate.
1, 2,
3. And other side? 1.
1.
These are?
More.
And these are?
Less.
Very good. Good job. Rahim, count how many eraser in this plate.
1, 2,
And how many here?
1.
These.
More. Less.
Very